So just wanted to wish everyone a happy Boxing Day, and we're going to be looking at a slight upgrade I've done to my Defender's infotainment system by fitting a Apple CarPlay screen. Okay, so this is the actual smart screen I went with. I bought it from Amazon. It cost me £120, and the main thing about this is it had dual Bluetooth, which was quite important for me, just to make sure that my phone and the head unit talk to one another properly. So the next Apple CarPlay unit up from this does feature a built-in dash cam as well. This one doesn't. Right, so we'll have a look at installing it into my Defender setup. So here is a shot of how it looks before. I've just pulled the Blaupunkt. Above, I used to use a 3D printed phone cradle with my iPhone. It wasn't the best setup. I had a lot of orientation issues with the phone. And so what I've done after is stuck the adhesive pad the Apple CarPlay screen comes with, drilled a small hole in it and ran a 90-degree angle USB-C cable through the top of the dash and through into the back, which will work with the rear mounted USB-C of the head unit. And just to try and neaten it up slightly, I removed an orange sticker that was on the corner and I just put some black electrical tape down the side to cover the barcode and other symbols up, just to make it look more of a neater factory install. So here's just a quick overview of the finished product. Okay, so this is the new head unit mounted. If I power on the Blaupunkt, because it's connected via rear USB, it should just come on in a second, which it has. It's connected to the Bluetooth on my iPhone. And there we go. You can control the brightness on the device, so we could probably make it a bit brighter just because there's a bit of sun. And there we go, it's already linked to my iPhone. We can go on to the mapping system. It'll do. I am actually looking at getting the next model up, exactly the same manufacturer, but it has a built-in dash cam, but that one hasn't come yet. You can get Waze up. And yeah, so if we go back to our music, can control it. It has dual Bluetooth, this head unit, which is really what you want, especially if your built-in one has Bluetooth. And there you go, and you can go on. So yeah, you can control it with your phone, obviously, or on the touch screen. So doing that, it'll start playing. It's pretty good. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a happy new year.